Hello, today we will learn about random sampling, which is a key algorithm of the LLM. Random sampling is used in LLM to select next word prediction. LLM chooses possible words randomly, and today we will learn about most popular random sampling logic in these days. From GPT Playground, we can easily see there is a temperature and topic in the menu. By adjusting this value, we also can find the next generated words are randomly different. From this video, we will get to know what is the magic behind of these values. First off, temperature. When we set temperature with high number, the next word prediction is more random, and lower temperature makes next word prediction less random. When we play with temperature with zero value, we can see the next word is not random. It generates the same word repeatedly. And if I set the temperature with higher number, now the next word generation is more random. We'd better see the equation of temperature for better understanding. First, we can easily see the temperature equation are very similar to softmax equation. If temperature is 1, it is same as softmax function, which converts logits to the probability in classification deep learning model. The data in the equation is the temperature. The more temperature is the more random in the next word generation. The less temperature makes the next word generation more deterministic. For your information, while classification task uses softmax and takes the label which has the highest probability, the LLM takes any word with random sampling using the probabilities. So there is still less chance to be chosen for less probability words in LLM next word generation. To me, Python code is more straightforward to understand, and here we go. Here I implemented temperature logic in Python. Let me test it out. First, I give temperature value 0 and do the random sampling. As you can see, except for one word, the other words have almost 0%. And the result of random sampling is obviously giving same word. Let me now test with temperature 1. With temperature 1, now multiple words have reasonable probability. The random sampling results next word randomly according to the word probability. Now I feel we know temperature enough. Let me change gear a little bit. There is also popular random sampling named top P, which is Nucleus Sampling. The top P sampling helps generating more diverse and creative text by considering broader range of tokens. The algorithm is simple. First, it sorts the word by its probability, then summing up the probability until it hits the P which you set as a threshold. Then it only selects each word within the P threshold and do the random sampling from the selected word set. It is easy to understand with the next picture. When LLM is generating next word for the sentence in school there is a, you can see there are next word candidates with its probability. When I have set up the P with 0.5, the algorithm is firstly sort candidate with its probability and collect words until some of these probability hit the P which is 0.5 in this example. Since kid plus boy is 0.5, random sampling only happens between kid and boy. Internally, it recalculates the probability since we have only two words and do the random sampling with the adjusted probability. The top P algorithm generates a lot more random words when next word candidate has a very similar probability. Okay, now you're an expert on top P random sampling, and there is even simpler random sampling logic called top K. Top K is just filtering top K word by its probability and random sample from there. The big difference with top P is that even next word candidate probabilities are more or the same. While top P generates way random words, top K will only random in K candidates. This is the end of video. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.